Cake, you done know. Subscribe, I don't know. Bang bang.
This channel.
The magic word RB.
Undefeated, apparently. Apparently he's undefeated. I've heard this. He defeated me. He's still undefeated. 3 hours on. 3 hours on, this kid is still undefeated. Yep, it's amazing scenes. Amazing scenes in Swindon. I've heard from he's here, he's present, everyone's pregnant. That wasn't a poem, but rhyme, kind of.
Any colour you want on top. Go ahead. No one can see this. You can see this.
Fuck off!
Go for it, fella.
You're quite hard to read.
I'm not a book. What the fuck?
That's his, how the fuck do you know his favourite fucking colour, man? It's a joke.
Can you make my dick longer by any chance? Just like, you got a wand, you can whack. Because I have.
Have you got the business card? Check me out on YouTube.
That's what you think, man.
Fair enough. Fucking hell.
That's your favourite colour as well. That's weird. That's good shit, man.
Yeah, fair enough. I don't have tits in a fanny, but...
Turn around, only you can know this.
Like, subscribe to
Go.
Make sure you put it flat in your hand, yeah? For some reason in my head I'm getting fruit.
What are you a cunt for? Fuck you, man. Come here. This guy. That girl. Hey, what colour did you say? What colour did you say? What colour? I asked her what colour? Orange. Right there. You're a fucking cunt.
Nice, so subscribe to Magic Word.
Squad. Kick Castro. You don't know.
How does he do this? No, how is he actually doing that? Yeah. How are you doing that?
Do it one more time.
Okay, no. Oh, seriously, how does he do that? Alright, I'm gonna fuck him now. Together.
I was going to say red, yeah, but I'm not going to say red. I think it might be close to
Want to see my magic trick? It's probably orange, isn't it? That's not even cute. Go home.
Turn around, only you can know this. Yeah. Turn around and go, choose colour.
Now this doesn't work from down. It does work. Yeah, she is paying. So a suggestion. Orange.
Oh, Ricky, lock you up.
Orange.
He's got it.
What do you think?
Yeah, fair enough, mate. He's got orange, mate. He's got orange. He's got a filter.